Right now, we're seeing a music sentiment score of plus 0.32, which stands out against historical baselines that have hovered closer to zero. This spike indicates a notable shift in how listeners are feeling about current tracks, suggesting a growing positivity in recent releases. Our API returns insights on sentiment, momentum, and semantic clusters, giving you a multidimensional view of musical trends. For example, you could leverage this data to enhance a music recommendation system, tailoring playlists to align with the current emotional landscape of listeners. To dive deeper into the specifics and integrate this data into your projects, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's harness this sentiment shift and make your applications smarter.